Are you thinking about switching to Gboard because it feels faster, smoother, or just better than Samsung keyboard? Let me show you how to set it up on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today, I will show you how to switch your default keyboard to Gboard. Just note, Gboard only appears if you have already installed it from the Play Store. So if you don't see it, you will need to install it first. To set Gboard as your default keyboard, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find General Management. Tap General Management, tap Keyboard, and then turn on Gboard. Tap OK on the pop-up. Next, tap Default Keyboard, and then select Gboard. Now, open any app where the keyboard appears, for example, Samsung Note, Messages, WhatsApp, or even the search bar. As you can see, your phone is now using Gboard as the default keyboard. And that's it. You are now using Gboard on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.